Welcome to my TED Talk. I'm Dr. Ted Berger. I'm a chiropractor. Please visit a chiropractor in your area who's local. You don't need to call an attorney after car accidents. You can walk right into a chiropractor's office. Even Consumer Reports has said that chiropractic is one of the best doctors to go to. In our office, we take all regular health insurance. We see regular people and they don't need referrals. So don't feel like you have to call other primaries to try and get referrals. You can always walk right into our office. We do physical therapy, chiropractic, and our phone number is 954-927-PAIN, which is 954-ZAP-PAIN. Thank you and have a great day.